Welcome to the Teaching Bites podcast. Here are your hosts, Fred and Sharon Jaravada.
Hey everyone, my name is Fred Jaravada.
And I'm Sharon Jaravada.
And welcome to the Teaching Bites show, where we connect you with people and ideas to take your teaching to the next level. So, Sharon,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Okay.
Question for you that I did not share with you yet.
No, you did not.
So
and
this
I
is
can
gonna
confirm
be
it.
there's gonna be like off the on the fly.
On the fly,
All right.
like we do in our
All right.
jobs.
Here's my question of the day. For you.
Okay.
What's your favorite teacher movie and why?
Oh my gosh.
Come on, you can answer that.
I always think about Mr. Holland's Opus
Then that's probably it. Why?
because, first of all, I love music.
What's
Richard
quickly,
Dreyfuss.
So what's quickly?
in
What
it.
is the show? The movie about?
I'm not very good about remembering movies. Remember that?
But you remember?
I remember I had a good feeling when I watched
Richard Dreyfuss.
What?
It's Richard Dreyfuss. You know that?
Yeah, and who's the woman? I forgot.
Not Michelle Pfeiffer. It's
Meryl Streep.
I think Meryl
I don't
Streep.
know.
Right?
But I honestly.
What? How did it make you
He's
feel
the
then?
conductor. I know.
Yeah, music teacher.
Music teacher. I really don't remember what it's about. I'm not good at remembering that. So
So how did it make you feel then? Why did you
I was
choose
just
it?
very amazed in the way he made the kids feel, or just I just felt good for the kids. They're
Okay.
happy.
Yeah, they all do. It
Yeah,
seems all these
and-
movies, these teacher movies, at the end of the movie, you always feel good. Like Robin Williams wanted me when he was doing the Dead Poet Society. I wanted to stand on the desk too, and my captain, my captain. I wanted to do that too.
So
Okay, another
yeah.
movie. Before I give my answer, my favorite movie. Do you have another movie, teacher movie?
Nope.
That's it.
I can't think of any more. But you tell us about
Okay.
yours.
All right. Okay, my favorite teacher movie is probably, and I got maybe two. I got kind of two, but the first one
think I know
obviously
it.
will be. You think you know it? Does it star?
Jimmy Tell.
Who does it star?
Stand
You're not good at memory. Never mind.
and Deliver is the movie.
Okay, that is the movie I was gonna say. Stand Deliver.
Yeah.
Yes.
But I forgot who's in it. Ethan
It's
Hawke.
not Ethan Hawke. It's Lou Diamond Phillips.
Okay.
Okay, and it's about some kids in the L.A. barrios. L.A. I think they were in Watts or somewhere South Central L.A. or something like that, East L.A. And it's the story about Jaime Escalante, right? And he was a math teacher, teaching kids calculus, and he's played by Edward James Olmos from Miami Vice, if you remember that, and Mr. Commander Adama of
Star
Admiral Adama.
Trek.
No,
Battlestar Galactica.
Battlestar Galactica. But anyway,
I'm so good at this. I'm so good at this.
God. Anyway, you're like Dory. You're like her. Finding Dory.
And I have very short-term memory loss.
God. And everyone's gonna just press stop. Sorry, guys. This episode is the funny one. It's like, oh my God, they're going nuts. But mine is Stand and Deliver, because it resonated with me because it came out when I was a teenager also, maybe 15, 16, maybe 17 or so, in the late 80s. And that really, like, okay, cool. I mean, I can dig this. I like this. I like how he pushed his students, but he also recognized that his students had a lot of problems also in their lives.
So when you watch this movie, were you teaching already or not?
No, I was 15, 16. I was a kid. I was a kid. I was like,
Oh, okay.
So that kind of resonated with me. The movie came in like 1987, 88, something like that. So I was younger. I was a teenager too.
Yeah.
And growing up here in San Francisco, you hear about L.A. It's like, oh, that's where all the gangs and all that stuff.
Yeah.
That was the high point of gang life, right? So when movies like that came out, that Boys in the Hood and all that, that like, oh, got to watch this. This is about a teacher and how he's pushing his kids, inspiring his kids to take calculus, going through remedial algebra, working their way up to calculus level and winning awards. I forget the award it was, but it put his school on the map in mathematics, and he did that for years and years and years. So that was very inspiring. Stand and
So it's
Deliver.
a true story?
True story.
Oh, okay.
So that's my favorite one. Let me tell you my least favorite teacher movie.
Yeah. What is it? I want to know. I don't think I even know the answer to this.
Well, I think my least favorite is probably Dangerous Minds. Or is it Dangerous Minds?
The one with Coolio, Michelle Pfeiffer.
Yeah. To me, that was just so... It was just so, like, cheesy.
It's over the top. Like,
You know, I mean, don't get me wrong, but, you know, it's like the Deaths with Wolves or Last Summer, I think. Like, you know, it's the you know, the white female teacher comes in and saves
the black
ghettos.
student.
Yeah,
Oh,
you know, not trying to be
formula.
using the race in that, but it's like, okay,
No,
it's
I
a
know.
formula that Hollywood used.
It's been done all over and over.
Right, and
Yeah.
there it wasn't just Michelle Pfeiffer. It's not her fault, but there are other movies very similar like that. I think, what's her name? Hilary Swank had one later on. Also, she was a movie, poetry or something like that. Saved the ghetto kids again.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
like,
I know.
and they're inspiring, and there's all true stories that happen like that. Cool, but it's like, okay, boring.
Been there, done that.
It's
Yeah.
just cheesy, and it became cheesy because they had, you know, rapping and we're like,
Yeah.
you can't rap. Stop it. Please, Michelle Pfeiffer, stop it. You're not a rapper. You can't do that. Although I had a huge crush on Michelle Pfeiffer also back in
Oh,
the
so
day.
just mute. You mean?
Any other thoughts on the movies, on teacher movies?
Mm,
Or honorable mentions? I mean, one of my favorites also is Good Will Hunting, right?
oh,
As a teacher, so, you know, what's great about that movie is that when Robin Williams, his character, you know, Robin Williams, he won the award,
best supporting actor.
Best Supporting Actor, right, and the Oscars, right? But his character only showed up within an hour within the movie or something like that.
40 minutes in.
40 minutes in.
Yeah.
That's great. So that just shows you, like, his character. The movie was already great. Matt Damon and
True.
Ben Affleck wrote the movie.
That's their first one they wrote together, right?
Yeah, ever, and first one to make. And that's a great movie. It's inspiring. But yeah, how Robin Williams, his character, just stuck on Matt Damon's character and inspired him to keep going.
Right. And actually, I was thinking about, are there any other movies right now that are teacher movies that just came out? I can't even think of anything good that came out.
Bad Teachers was probably the last one with Cameron Diaz. And Justin Timberlake.
Oh, I watched it because of JT.
Yeah,
But
sure,
yeah,
yeah.
definitely not a typical movie. Just using the teacher thing, like
The
hot
formula.
teacher.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know. But if you have a movie you like, let us know. I need
let us know.
ideas that I can remember.
Yeah, so we can watch it also during the summer. Give us some movies to watch this summer, so our listeners or
Ooh,
our
movie
friends
club.
can watch. Yeah, teacher movie club.
Movie club. We can like talk about it.
And I want to see like foreign movies also. That'd be cool
Or like
too.
independent movies.
Independent foreign movies about teaching and all that stuff. Mm-hmm. You know, just get inspired again.
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. All right, folks, like Sharon said, go ahead and send us some questions our way. Let us on tips and also what you think about what's your favorite. Share with us your favorite movies and even TV shows. And please go ahead and subscribe and share our show. Leave an honest comment, review.
And you can email
rating
us.
On iTunes.
Email me at Sharon@teachingbytes.com.
Or at Fred@teachingbytes.com.
And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.
All right, guys.
Bye.
How could it go?
Thank you for listening to the Teaching Bites podcast at www.teachingbytes.com.